How to deactivate your TikTok account temporarily. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I will show you how you can deactivate your TikTok account temporarily, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to deactivate your TikTok account, first of all, just go ahead and then launch the TikTok application. And then once you launch the TikTok app, you simply want to come to your profile page by tapping the profile icon from the bottom right. Then tap on the three lines icon from the top right hand side of the screen, and then you want to go to settings and privacy. Once you come to settings and privacy, just go to account, and then once you come to your account, here you'll find deactivate or delete account, so just tap on that option again. And then once you tap on deactivate and delete account, here you'll find two options called deactivate and delete, but just to deactivate it, we'll choose the first option, that is deactivate account. Once you tap on deactivate, it'll ask me for a confirmation, do you really want to deactivate it? All you have to do is tap on the deactivate button from the bottom, verify your phone number or your password in order to deactivate your TikTok account. And that's all it takes to temporarily deactivate your TikTok account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.